Start with Kraken, buy USDT, and withdraw it directly to your Flare wallet. It arrives as USDT0, no conversions needed. Already have USDT on Ethereum or another supported chain? Use USDT.2 to send it to Flare as USDT0, fast and easy. Transfer USDT from Ethereum and USDT0 from Arbitrum, Inc., Berachain, Unichain, Optimism, SEI, and Corn. Use the Flare portal to convert Stargate bridged USDT into USD0. Already on Flare with other tokens? Swap directly into USDT0 using Spark DEX or BlazeSwap.